Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we're going to show you the brand new Zeblaze hybrid. This smartwatch is very different from others, and we have a very small display. So we have 0.49 OLED screen with a battery life. If you use the smart model, it will last in about 7 days, and if you use the watch model, it will last 3 years. That's really wonderful. We have different materials used in this smartwatch. We have zinc alloy, bottom cover is stainless steel, and we have silicone bands, and these are very soft. So let's go now ahead with unboxing and see what we got more from Zeblaze. Let's begin with unboxing. Now, as you can see, we have the Zeblaze hybrid written in the package. We have the picture here, and all over the box we have the name of Zeblaze. In the back we have some specification about this Zeblaze hybrid smartwatch, and also again name of Zeblaze. So let's go ahead, try to open this box, because Zeblaze thought it was a good idea to make it vacuum sealed. Now we have a visual here in the hybrid smartwatch. As you can see, in the top we have the charger, and the good thing about this charger is that it has two points right here, and the Zeblaze watch is all metal in the back, and wherever you put your Zeblaze, it will start to charge. Here in this little package we have the charger and the cable and the straps. In this case we have blue straps, and we have the charger right here. So the straps in the Zeblaze are a bit different. We are used to see every watch in black. We decided to spice things up with the Zeblaze hybrid and get blue straps, so we will see a bit difference in this smartwatch. As you can see, the straps are changeable. You can change them whenever you want. And as you can see, the camera is having some difficulties to read all the pixels of Zeblaze. You can see how it's not reading right, but you can see that we have some information about these options. So as you can see, now we have here the Zeblaze hybrid. Let's go ahead and see what we got here. It's hard to see from the lights. I'm going to try to show you. As you can see, we have here time, percentage of battery, and steps. Next we have steps here, weather, heart rate, and as you can see we have here sports. Whenever you leave the option that you're going through, you leave to that option for 1 or 2 seconds, it will apply to that. Let's go see what we have more. Sports we saw, and then we have the menu. So you can see we have quite a few options. Now we have here the timer, we have here phone search, stopwatch, we have brightness, this is brightness, and this is the reset information, and that's all. So you can see, maybe someone will think like me, I didn't expect to have these much options in this watch. We have a very small display to see how this work, and honestly it's very surprising that we have these options here in the Zeblaze hybrid. Let's go ahead, wear this watch, see how it sits in our hand, and test some of these things. As you can see, we have now here the Zeblaze hybrid. It looks really good and it feels good. These bands are very soft. I'm going to try again to zoom in and show you the things that I'm going to test. Let's test the first here, heart rate. (72), 73, you can see the results. And you can see how the lights is making some trouble right here. It won't let you see all the things that I am seeing. Let's go and test the sports as well. It says long press. Probably we should press the right one, long press, and as you can see the seconds are going. We have here the heart rate, kilometers, pace, and that's all. Honestly, it's pretty impressive for this watch to have this much information. Let's go through the menu. As you can see, we have all these things to test. Let's see if I can try something else, and I don't think I'm able to try anything else. So that's it. The other things are just regular things like other smartwatches. Honestly, I'm surprised from the Zeblaze hybrid. I didn't expect to be with this information at all, or this option. So guys, this was all for today's video in Zeblaze hybrid smartwatch. If you have any question, suggestion, feel free to comment down below and we will try to reply to you all. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next one.